All right, so we are out here in Port Huron. We spent the day out here yesterday with MIGardener and family and met a bunch of other awesome YouTubers from all over the country. And today is the big day, so we're ready to go out for the grand opening of the store and hopefully meet some of you guys who are stopping out here in the area. So we're going to Kate's Downtown Cafe this morning, hanging out, and then the big grand opening at noon today. So we can't wait. We got a sneak peek of the store yesterday, and man, is it cool. We looked through thousands of seed packets, I think, and just read all the backs. And we're right near the border of Canada. So behind me is the bridge, the Blue Water Bridge to Canada. The girls had some fun swimming. Did you have fun swimming? Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna take you guys along today and check this whole thing out. We'll give you guys a sneak peek of the store, hopefully some behind the scenes stuff, and it's a pretty cool little operation they have set up here. So we're super proud of them and excited. All right, let's go get some breakfast. Come on, get out of the car. Let's go. Come on. Uh-oh, I think we found the people. Oh, it's awesome. Good morning. I heard it was your first airplane ride here. Yeah? I saw the video. You were pretty brave on the airplane. Houston?
What's your YouTube channel?
Arms Family Homestead. That's right.
I don't know why he's getting bashful.
He's not in all the videos I've seen.
He'll warm up in a little bit. It's not just a homestead channel. We have chickens and goats and a big greenhouse, and we do a lot of fishing and hunting. And
I saw some of the fishing stuff.
Yeah. Really, our channel is just about family, raising kids the way you're supposed to.
Awesome.
I'm Jack from Freedom Homestead.
Freedom Homestead. All right.
My wife Tangi, she's more of the personality of our channel, but
and your daughter.
and yeah, my daughter too. Yeah. And they ran off gardening, cooking, anything outdoors related.
That's right.
And we just moved a few weeks ago, so now we're trying to set up our new homestead.
Start from scratch, man.
Yeah, that's what we're trying
Been
to do.
there.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the name of your YouTube channel?
MIGardener.
Good morning, man.
Morning.
How you doing?
Oh man, I'm doing good. I slept so hard.
You got some sleep?
Oh man, I slept so hard. We were up till like 11. People didn't end up like leaving until like around 11. So by the time we got back, I hit the pillow. I was so asleep.
Ready for today?
Oh, I don't know.
You
I don't know.
We're
know if I'm
excited,
ready.
man.
I am super excited. The thing that I'm so nervous about is like I don't know if people. I mean, obviously people are going to show up. But I don't know how many people. You know what I mean?
You never know. Hey,
It's so scary.
we're here.
I'm just glad you guys are here because that means we at least are gonna have some fun.
That's right.
So, well, we're gonna have fun no matter what. But I am just. I don't. You never know what to expect, really. So
Today's gonna be great.
Yep.
You don't have to have a YouTube channel.
Oh, great.
Wait, what's the name?
Chicks and hens.
Chicks and Hens?
That's her.
Lisa. Has to Sell Family Farm.
This guy, who's this guy? What's your name?
I'm Mike. Hey, don't be photobombing.
It's Doug with Off There with Doug and Stacy. We live in the Midwest in a log cabin that I built in 90 days, and we grow our own food and hang out, and we're here for the grand opening of MIGardener store.
And you just showed up. Like you photobombed.
That's how I roll.
Yeah. Like, hey, I'm gonna be here. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I never know because we have a tight schedule, right? So I never know what's going on. So if I can make it, I can make it. But I don't like to say I'm going to be there and then you don't show up. So I just wait and see how it rolls.
Let's go.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Good to see you. Yeah.
Hey, this is Amanda from the Fundamental Home, and on my channel we talk about faith, family, food, and frugality. Heavy on the food and frugality. And basically we're going to share with you things that you can do to make the most of the food that you're growing, make recipes, things that'll make sure that what you're making and growing is not going to go to waste. So I hope you come visit us and join us.
Hey, I'm Rachel.
I'm Todd.
From that 1870s homestead. It was so great to meet you guys.
We appreciate it. And so we're still.
Whoa.
So it's the. I think it's the bus.
It's hot, isn't it?
It's getting close. You excited?
So
Can you take coffee in the store?
we can. Thank you, Luke.
All right, we're about 10 minutes away from grand opening time, so exciting. Looks like we get to peel off the paper and see the inside of the store for the first time.
So thankful that you all have come out to be not only in the rain, but some have traveled through states and states to get here. And we are just so blessed and honored to have so many amazing people that just support our dream and our vision for not only the Blue Water area, but for the gardening community as a whole. I started this mission to get people growing more food 7 years ago in 2011 when I was still in high school. And it is something that when I look at what we have built and what we have grown to become, it's something that I never could have envisioned happening. And so as we are about to unveil the store, I just want to let everyone know that none of this could be possible without your help and without the help of my amazing wife, who I really owe a lot of help for. So thank you. We want to see people get back to where we think food should be, because let's face it, when you taste a homegrown tomato versus a store-bought one, there's just no comparison. And for people that are of any level of income bracket, we want people to know that we're all eating the same food. We want people to experience the highest standard of living. We want people to understand just how fresh can be. And we understand that when you eat the freshest and you eat the best, you feel the best. And so we understand that that is something that everyone really is passionate about, and us included. And so with that out of the way, I want to hand the stage over to Mrs. MIGardener, because I'm sure she probably has some stuff to say as well, and then we'll open the store. So.
Well, I just want to thank everyone for coming here. I see so many young kids, and you guys are just gonna love the place, I hope. And we have an amazing staff in there. Make sure to just give them a high five, and just have fun. I mean, really thankful. Luke already said pretty much everything that has to be said. So, with that being said, what do you want to say?
I want to make sure that they're ready. Locked in my own store, huh?
Summer, are you excited to go in the store? What did you find? Coffee? No, I love it. Why? Grab two of
Something's owned agricultural, so you don't have to do it.
They only take 4 years to have a cup of coffee.
That's
We're
right.
gonna die.
It'll be the best cup of coffee we've ever had.
We're gonna die before.
So we got a nice sitting area over here. Come and hang out. People can grab books and read all about gardening. We've got all kinds of interesting things to read and check out. It's pretty cool. I want to read that one. All right, MIGardener t-shirts. I got mine. You got yours? All right.
Yep.
Changed colors. You can keep yours. I'm not wearing yours too. All right, so we got our new shirts on. We just left the grand opening of the seed store. It was awesome, wasn't it?
It's still packed.
It's still packed. There's over 200 people came in this morning, and it's just they've been lines.
Bunch of YouTubers, crazy people like you.
Met a lot of people that are strange like us, which is cool. But we're just gonna spend the rest of the day hanging out. We're gonna take you guys along. We're just gonna be, visiting some towns nearby and hanging out with Luke and family later, eating. And so we'll take you guys along and see what's out here. Port Huron is right on Lake Huron, obviously, and right across the lake is Canada. So we'll see what's going on out here. I don't know. Daniel from the Arms Family Homestead said he was eating down here. I think he led us on a wild goose chase. I'm not sure. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, it's a drawbridge. Oh, look at that. Okay, so where is it? Where you said Powers? You're not. Wait.
I think it's this way.
This way?
No,
okay.
no.
You say it's that way? There's Canada. Hey, we know these people. All right, so we are gathering back together here. We're gonna go out to a nearby town and check out the beach, eat some dinner, and what else are we gonna do? Maybe go swimming? I don't know. You wanna go swimming? I like the grass going into this place. It's pretty cool. And planters, no flowers, herbs. It's like the store opening has been a success. Well, it looks like they still have a few seeds left to sell, but I think this was a very successful day. All right, let's see what's up here. More toys. Clothes. So, out of all the stuff in the general store, what did you get? What is that? Slime.
It's really gross. It feels really gross.
Oh no.
It kind of does.
Like here on.
It doesn't. What?
Take 1 penny. Take another penny. Yep, we gotta go throw it in. You gotta make a wish. Come here. Oh, she made it. Nice. Oh, here, Kayla. There's 2 pennies. Not a dime.
Oh.
Jeez, what do you think we are, rich? Pennies. Oh my goodness. What is that?
Strawberries and cream smoothie.
Is it good? It is. The borrow a toy box is locked? Oh, it's okay. You can open it. What's in there? Cool. Lake Huron, it's a big lake.
I have socks on.
Jump in. All right, pick your rock. Let's see who can skip the one the furthest.
I just beat you.
You did not beat me. I had 4.
I just beat you.
You had 3. All right, and you gotta find a really flat, smooth one.
Your little foot's on it. That's a beauty one.
Yeah, that one's good too. All right, you ready?
That's mine.
Oh, 2.
That's mine. Are you ready?
Oh, that was 3. That was 1. Good job, Summer. Good job. So it has been an amazing weekend out here and hanging out with MIGardener and just seeing the store opening and collaborating with a bunch of other people who are kind of weird like us. You know, it's just been interesting to meet people who are trying to do the same thing, homesteading and eating healthier and frugal living and gardening and all that kind of stuff. This has just been an awesome weekend. Closing out here on Lake Huron and just hanging out with everyone. The MIGardener store grand opening was amazing. It was so many people out there. It was so great to see him doing those things and sharing the gardening community with so many people in this area. It's just great. I hope a lot of success for him. We talked with so many other awesome YouTube creators out here. What a great weekend and great collaboration with them. All the people that you saw in the video, I'm going to put a link to their YouTube channels. Go check those guys out. Man, they put a lot of effort, a lot of work into their channels, and they're just awesome people. So check out and support those guys as well. We wish a lot of success to Luke and Cindy over there at MIGardener. Man, what a great start they have in sharing gardening to this community. What a great thing they're doing. So thanks for tagging along today, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good one.